Mihang'o ya guthurima mwagiriru gukorwo ari munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga gihitahitano-ini kia president niyambiriirie kiroko kia umuthi rungu rwa muikarigiti wa kamiti ya andu mugwanja Dr. Noah Sam. Murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Murang'a Sabina Chege niwe uhingurire giikaro gia gutariria kire ekurehe metha-ini wagiriru wake ona ikiro ikiigiriro ratiri-ini. Kuringana na Sabina uria woire o ndagika 20 mbere ya kamiti ino arauga ari na mayu ona ndama njagiriru ya kuhingia watho wa kuiganania atumia na arume ta uria IBC yendekithitie.
For me, I bring in the energy. I am a young person, also the gender, and I'm also from Mount Kenya region, especially Murang'a. So where we in Mount Kenya we have very huge vote basket, and number two, I have an advantage of being a young person and also being a woman. My chances are good, they are high, but whatever the outcome, I will respect the decision of the
Ndagika nini thutha ucio governor wa Mombasa uria noe munini wa Odinga kiama-ini kia ODM ni ageire na kanya ga guthurimo thiku imwe kuma gikundi kia ambunge kuma Mombasa mendekithia Joho aheo kanya kau.
Yes, I come from ODM, but remember I had also filed my candidature for the presidential bid in the ODM party, and therefore it is my right to want to run for any position. So if I come from ODM, therefore what does that mean? That I shouldn't run? I have ambitions of becoming president, therefore there's an opportunity for running mate Niko Apo. So for me, whoever is seen to be best suited, which I find very hard because it's very difficult to beat me, it will be the ticket that will sell.
Odinga na uria wikinyire giikaro-ini giki guthurima uria Mihang'o ino iratabanio ndanagia na miario na andiki a mohoro akiuga ndari na undu wa kuga. Mutongoria wa kiama kia NARC Kenya Martha Karua agituika wa gatatu guthie mbere ya kamiti no riri kuri na mierio kwaya niwe imwe ya kadi iria Odinga ageyukia.
It was a cordial engagement and I very much look forward to the outcome and to successful campaigns by the Azimio team. I'm ready to hit the ground running.
Governor wa Kakamega Wycliff Oparanya uria no munini wa Odinga kiama-ini kia ODM arauga gukorwo mari kiama-ini kimwe gutiri na kihingisha o giothe.
I never applied. Maybe if I was given a chance I would have said let me leave to others who are from outside. But the fact that my name was forwarded by my party and that I respect institutions.
Governor wa Nakuru Kenya juini ohigira ithabu ria atano aria mathurimirwo umuthi muthenya wa rucio Mihang'o ino igitanywo guthie na mbere. Ahuraniri agaturwa gia president mari na nginyagia tariki 16 mweri uyu makorwo manianite maritwa ma anini yao kuringana na uria maiguanire na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IBC. Oria thaa iratiruka noguo kamiti ya amemba mugwanja yathukiirwo gwetha munini wa Raila Odinga irathie ona mbere kuhikana na mahinda amu no thiku 6 itigaire ritwa ririkorwo rikinengerwo IBC. Giribotera Kameme TV giikaro-ini gia Serena kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.